In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a note that you may have accidentally deleted on your Notes app on your iPhone. To get started, let's open the Notes app. Taking a look here at the notes that I have inside of this folder, let's say I accidentally deleted note number 2. To get this note back, tap the folder icon at the top here, or just make sure that you're inside of the folder root menu. If you have any deleted notes, scroll all the way to the bottom inside of here and you'll see recently deleted. This folder is not going to appear though if you don't have any deleted notes within the last 30 days. Select recently deleted. Inside of here, you're going to find your recently deleted notes. One thing to know though is these are only going to be stored for up to 40 days, but on average they're going to be permanently deleted after about 30. Select the note that you want to recover and then tap anywhere inside of the note. It's then going to ask you if you want to recover the note. Tap recover and then you can start editing the restored note. If you use folders though, then there's one more thing that you're going to want to do. If we look at the note that I just restored, we're going to see that it's been placed inside of the main notes list. And if I go to the folder that I deleted it out of, it's not going to be there though. So after you recover the note, you need to move it back inside of the folder you want it inside of. Just find the note inside of the main notes list here and then choose it again. Now at the top right of the screen, choose the 3 dots and then select Move Note. After that, you can then choose the folder that you want to put it back inside of. And if I then head back into the folder that I started in, you're going to see that the note is now put back. And that's how you recover deleted notes on an iPhone with the Notes app.